Imagine going from zero to $100,000 on Upwork. Today, I'm going to share with you the exact 7 tips that took me from a struggling freelancer to an Upwork hero. The first thing you need to do is to define your client's profile. Decide what location you want your clients to come from. Is it North America? Is it Europe? Mind you, North American clients pay very well and they're also very generous. Secondly, you have to showcase your expertise and value. Now, one way to showcase your expertise and value is to always have an online presence. Now, so many clients, before they hire you on Upwork, they Google your name and check you out. Trust me. Also have a lot of samples from different jobs that you have done in different categories. We focus on exceptional service. See, those who are actually going to blow you are your returning clients. And why do they usually return? Is because you focus on quality over quantity. And it's also because you are customer centric. So always make your clients your number one priority. Consistent communication and follow up with your clients will do magic for you. Before your clients ever reaches out to you to ask you how the project is going, always talk to them. Even if the project is over, try to reach out to your clients and ask them, how is your business going? In fact, this strategy landed me so many jobs. At the time when everywhere is dry, just reach out to them and say, I'm just trying to check up on you. And before you know, okay, can you do this? That's it. Network and build relationships. See, along the line, I've always thought that I could do it alone, but one of the first rules is never walk alone. During this journey, I made some wonderful friends. One of them is Togbe Ademola. Shout out to Togbe. Why it's important to always build network is that some days you feel like I need to talk to someone. And some other days you feel like, how do I grow? How do I move to the next level? So build relationship. This one I'm going to say now, many people don't take it seriously. Ask for referrals and testimonials. When landing my first $10,000 on Upwork was as a result of referrals and testimonials. In fact, especially testimonials. My testimonials are everywhere. I pasted them everywhere, the good ones, everybody to see, because these are the things that will keep selling you. In fact, I did a project for a client for testimonials, not for cash. We can't overemphasize it. It's very important for your growth. If your clients do not give you, ask them to give you outstanding ones. Here comes the final one. In all that you do, cultivate a reputation of high quality service and excellence. Means that if you say you're going to show up in 5 days, show up in 5 days. And if you cannot make it on the 5th day, communicate before the 5th day, maybe on the 4th day, on the 3rd day, and say you are not going to make it. That makes you stand out and very, very professional. Thank you. Let me know what you think about these tips, and if you have anyone to add, always feel free to put it down on the comment section.